Good morning, boys and girls. I'm just going to show you a few examples of how to multiply fractions by whole numbers. So to multiply a fraction by a whole number, you put the whole number over 1 and multiply straight across and simplify. So example would be 6 times 3/8. So what we do is we turn it into 6 over 1, and we multiply it by 3/8 because 6 over 1 is equal to 6. And then we simply multiply across. So 6 times 3 is 18, and 1 times 8 is 8. Then we have an improper fraction, so we're going to divide 8 into 18. We get 2 with a remainder, or 8 times 2 is 16 with a remainder of 2. So we have 2 over 8 is left. Then we're going to simplify that to 2 and 1/4. So the 6 times 3/8 is 2 and 1/4. Right? Let's go ahead and go to the next problem. When you multiply fractions by whole numbers, you put the whole number under 1 and simplify, and you're usually going to have an improper fraction, so you're going to want to divide it like I divided it here. You divide the numerator by the denominator, you get your whole number, which is 2. Then your remainder becomes your new fraction over the denominator, and then you would simplify. All right, I hope that you understand, and I hope this is easy for you. If not, please make sure you ask Mrs. Mallory for help. All right, goodbye, guys. Now we're going to multiply fractions by fractions. To multiply a fraction by a fraction, you simply multiply straight across, and then you simplify when necessary. So an example would be 3/8 times 8/9. All you do is you multiply across. So 3 times 8 is 24, and 8 times 9 is 72. I want to think what number can be divided into both of these. I know that I could probably divide 3. I know I can divide 2 into both of them. You want to think what prime number divides into both of them. So let's divide each of these by 3. And 24 divided by 3 is 8. And 72 divided by 3 is 24. And I know that I can divide this further. I know that 8 goes into both of those, so I'm going to divide it by 8. And I get 1/3. So the answer is 1/3. So that's how you multiply fractions by fractions. When you multiply fractions by fractions, you simply multiply across the denominator and the numerator, and then you always want to simplify. And